It's no secret you're probably facing some big debts in your separation or divorce. Are you still responsible for paying these debts? Does your spouse have to pay half of your debts now that you're getting separated or divorced? Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham region and the GTA. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so already. When you're getting separated or divorced, you're still responsible for your own debts. Your spouse is not suddenly now responsible for the outstanding amount that you owe on your Visa credit card, for example. They never were. Your spouse is also still responsible for their own individual debts. You don't have to pay those either. However, if you're married, you're entitled to list the debts you owe on the date of separation on your financial statement. This is really important since it lowers your net worth on the date of separation. Why is this even important in the first place? This is important because the legal formula used in Ontario to deal with property for married spouses is called equalization of net family properties. Both you and your former spouse have to figure out your own net worth, that is the value of your assets minus the total amount of your debts on the date of separation. As you can see, a really important part of this calculation is the total amount of your debts on the date of separation. When you list all of your debts on the date of separation, you make sure you get a higher property payment from your spouse if they owe you a payment. And even more importantly, you get to make a lower payment to your spouse if you must pay them a property payment, saving you usually thousands of dollars. This property calculation does not apply to common law spouses, however, in Ontario. When you have a joint debt, like a mortgage or line of credit, you and your spouse are both responsible for that debt. You usually figure out what will happen to that debt in a separation agreement or a court settlement. For example, if you and your spouse are both on the mortgage and you sell your home, this mortgage is automatically paid off when the home is sold. However, if you or your spouse buy out the other spouse's interest in the home, this spouse will have to refinance or get a new mortgage to pay off the existing mortgage to make sure that the spouse who is selling their interest in the home to the other spouse is no longer liable to pay the mortgage payments on the home. In short, when you have individual debts, you're still responsible for paying them, regardless whether you're married or live in a common law relationship. However, when you're married, you must make sure you list every debt you have to make sure you get the best property payment or reduce the property payment you owe to your spouse. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, feel free to contact me on my Facebook office page, that's O'Malley Family Law, or call me 905-434-8837 and I'll point you in the right direction. Please make sure to share this important information and video with your friends, family members, and co-workers so that these people can have an easier separation or divorce.